About now, you're talking about lekker goed. You see? You see, if you talk about now, it's about lekker goed. You see? But a nicer word for now in Afrikaans is stoot.
What?
Stoot.
Stewart.
Stoot. Yeah. It's same like puss.
Okay.
You push a car, but how can I explain it to you? But a nicer name for naai in Afrikaans is stoot. You know, that is a nicer name for pronounce naai in Afrikaans. A stoot. You know.
Yeah, but in Shona,
Yeah.
it is a word, ne?
Yes.
Let's say, yeah, like I said before, let's say I'm struggling to do something here, and then you can come up with your own plan.
Yeah. But that is yeah.
It's simple. Then I'm like, now wow, so it's
Yo.
simple.
But
The other way, ne, let's say we are fighting or we are refusing to give you something.
yeah.
And what I do? Now wow,
You rawau. Yo. What is that, young? Rawau. You na wangu. Ne. But and there's another pretty name for naai in Afrikaans is bakbrood. Bakbrood. Knie. You know knie. Yeah, that is it's a nicer name for naai in Afrikaans as knie. Yeah, it's knie.
yeah,
You see, there's many names for you to describe naai, ne?
in Afrikaans.
Yeah, in Afrikaans. Knie and more pretty names for naai in Afrikaans, ne, Barabas? Yeah, ask Ben, he knows. Plenty of pretty names for naai in Afrikaans. Yeah. In Xhosa, you must pronounce it Fatulol.